Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh, man, what do you got going on here today? Folks, this is the Posame 4.2 Quart Air Fryer. Now, I did a review on this, and I got in Facebook, I got a guy named Gary who said that he bought this and it was a POS. And I feel bad about it because he said he bought it because I reviewed it and gave positive comments on it. And I went back and I watched my review on it, and I did give positive comments because I think there were some positive things. I did give one drawback, and the drawback was the size, that this is a 4.2 quart air fryer. And in my thoughts, here's a basket from a 5.8 quart, that if you're going to buy an air fryer, folks, don't buy anything smaller than 5.8 quart because you really are limited in size. But what's different about this, instead of having an outside basket and an inside basket, it just has the one basket, and it's vented on the outside, and it has then this tray or grill that sits down in there, and you put your food around there. And I still, to this day, I still think that that's pretty inventive. I kind of like the idea. Eliminates the interior basket and gets your food elevated off the bottom so the grease goes there. I think it works real nice. The thing operates kind of simplistically. And then I haven't, like I said, I've done this once on here. So just go to play, and then you've got where the clock is. That's where you adjust your time, and then your temp. You go down to temp here, and then you can just adjust your temp right there. And this thing has a variable speed fan on it. It, for all reality, works good. Now let's take a look at it. This is December of 2019. Let's take a look at it on Amazon, and $171. Now there's a drawback right there. This thing is no way $171. So they don't have any deals on it now in December of 2019. So I think the price alone at this point may say, you know what, I don't know if I want to get this. But we'll continue with the review. I'm going to do what I like to do in an air fryer. One of the favorite things I like to do in an air fryer is chicken wings. Let's get them chicken wings on. All right, I got 6 chicken wings on there. It fits comfortably. Morton Nature Seasoning. You know I love this stuff. Let's get her on. It does, you know, because there's no, I want to point this out, because there's no inner basket, you don't have to worry about the mechanism out here. There's so many mechanisms on air fryers where the inner and outer basket, where you press the button to take the inner basket out of the outer basket, and they have issues with those breaking. I had that on my Power XL fryer, but there is none here, so you don't have to worry about that. That's actually a positive. Go to this. Let's adjust. We're going to go 20 minutes. And then go to our temp. 400, super simple. Press play. Give you a couple look-sees, folks. Gary, I hope you're watching. Keep on watching. So as we just started off here, and you're going to see it goes back and forth between the time that's left and the temp. I think it's about a 10-second cycle. I decided to look under guarantee and service. There's nothing that says warranty that I could find, but I mean, this is definitely a negative. Guarantee and service. You need service or information. If you have problems, please visit our website. It doesn't even list their website. I guess you could just Google that, or contact your distributor. So if you're wondering, is there a warranty on this Posame, as Gary called it, POS? Doesn't appear to be. So let's let's keep on going. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, 15 minutes. I lost track of time. I should have looked at it at 10 minutes, but let's see. Oh, yeah, look at that. We're going to flip these over, put a little more seasoning on the other side, and keep on cooking. This thing, like I said, I think it works great. But let's get it flipped and keep on going. I guess that means they're done. Let's take a look. All right, final thoughts. Look at that. Golden brown wings. I mean, see the steam coming out of there. That is awesome looking stuff right there. Folks, there's some positives. I like the handle on there. I like the way the basket's designed. It's a medium-sized air fryer. And I've always told people, Don't go anywhere lower than 5.8 quart. This is 4.2 quart, I should say. So it does work though. Negatives, oh man, no warranty. It doesn't appear they have one. Um, the size, I'd like to see this. This definitely could be a 5.8 quart. There's no reason they couldn't do that. I think they were trying to look for the market of the people looking for a medium-sized air fryer. In my opinion, there shouldn't even be small size. If you're in the market for an air fryer and you see a good deal on one and it's like 3 quart or 3.2 quart, or even this one 4.2 quart, stay away. Go for the 5.8 quart. That's where you would need to be. Price point on this one right now, December 2019, it's $171. If it's $71, yeah, go for it. $171, no way. So does it cook wings? Oh, you damn right it does. It does a great job. So folks, hope this is helpful. To guy Gary who says I misled him. Gary, I apologize, but there are a lot of positives here, and the negatives are the warranty and the size. So hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman on YouTube, folks. My reviews are unbiased, and that's why you don't see me doing a whole lot of them, because manufacturers are without a doubt very skeptical to send me stuff because we don't know which way he's going to go. Well, that's because I tell the truth. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.